So this is our new compound light microscope having three objective lenses. These are the objective lens. We have 10x objective lens, 40x objective lens, and 100x oil immersion lens. So this is the place where we usually fit the eyepiece. We have 10x and 25x objective eyepiece here with us. So first I am attaching the 10x eyepiece. So and this is the 10x objective lens. So this is the nose piece, and this is the coarse adjustment screw, and this is the fine adjustment screw. Here we have two types of attachment. One is the artificial light, you can see, and there is one mirror, that is plano concave mirror, which we can use to focus the light into this stage. And now we are focusing on a permanent slide. Here we have 100 different slides, permanent slides. So first we can see the stem cuttings. The This is a xylem tissue, and we'll be focusing this xylem tissue first under the microscope. First, using the coarse adjustment screw, I'm just drawing the tube, and now fitted the slide here. Through this screw, I'm just adjusting the slide to the middle position. Enough light is there, so you can use the intensity of the light using this knob here fitted with the attachment. First we are using this coarse adjustment screw. Now the xylem tissue is visible. As the xylem tissue is large in size, so you can observe it even under 10x objective lens. So this eyepiece is 10x and the objective lens is also 10x, so the cumulative uh, magnification we are getting here is 100x. Now I'll show the inside image. So this is the xylem tissue. Under 10x objective lens, and the overall magnification is 100x. Thank you.